Welcome to Electrical Machine 1 lecture. This is lecture number 21. In the previous lecture, three-phase transformer connections were discussed. In the three-phase transformer connections, it is found that there are two type of connections. Either it is a star or that may be a delta connections. Now, star connection and delta connections are made with the help of three windings. Let this three windings just we want to take the review because it is very important to understand the valid connections and dot convention. This is three windings for the primary and three windings for the secondary. So A1, A2, B1, B2, C1, C2. Similarly, it is A1, B1, C1. Let it is A2, B2, C2. And dot convention is like that. These are the similar polarities, A1, B1, C1. Similarly for A1, it is A1, B1, C1. So if you want to connect in star, and we are applying the balanced three-phase voltage. Balanced voltage means where the magnitude as well as the phase angle between each phase is equal to 120 degree. So by connecting second terminal, similar terminal, it will become star. And whereas if someone is connecting A2, B2, C2, A2, B2, C2, then it is a valid connection. Okay. In valid connection, we found that this is the vector diagram or phase representation. A1, B1, C1, they are 120 degree apart, and connection is A2, B2, C2, and it is represent neutral. Similarly, under this condition, in the parallel and same direction, secondary terminal of phase A is A1 in phase or in parallel with B phase B1, C1, and the neutral point is A2, B2, C2. It is represented small m, and again it is 120 degree. So this is the valid connection. Now, secondary terminal, let this secondary terminal terminal A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2. Just here, a secondary terminal is redrawn. Okay, secondary terminal is redrawn, and this is the instantaneous polarity of winding with respect to the primary winding. This polarity is going to test by the polarity test on transformer. It is already covered. Let someone join this. It is in this way, like this is the someone join this one. It is like this one and this one. to make the connections from A2 to the load circuit A2. Okay, this is B2 and this is C2. No doubt it is in star. The connection is in star. No doubt the connection is in star. Only the difference is that, what is the difference? Here it is A2. Okay, this is your A1 now. Similarly, this is A1 is connected to B1, so it is a B1. This is terminal B2. Okay, no, okay, this is terminal is B2 and this terminal is B1, and in this way C1, this is C1. Now let me draw the vector with reference to this one. So in the previous condition, when the terminals are not connected in any fashion, so this is the three terminals, three phases are there. It is A1, A2, B1, B2, and C1, C2. Now, try to connect this vector in reference to this diagram. So A1, A1, A2. Okay. So this is say just it is a A1. We'll draw A1. Okay, we will draw here A2, A1. Okay. Now B1, B1, B2. B2 is connected to A1. B2 is connected to this B2 is connected to A1. So B2 is connected to here. It is B2. Here B2. Okay, this is B2. Let it be B2, A1. Okay, and this is B1 terminal. Whereas C1 in this direction, but it is in reverse. So it means that it is like somewhat like that one. And here the terminal is 120 instead of 120, it is a 60 degree. Okay. So this is not a valid connection. Similarly, if the winding is connected in its delta, winding is connected in delta, secondary winding. Just we are taking the review of our previous lecture. Delta connection means this is the one winding, second winding, and third winding. Okay. So if it just look like a series one, okay. So if you connect one winding here, second winding is here, that is one winding is connected, this one terminal, second terminal is connected here, and the third terminal we are going to connect. This is to the third terminals of the third winding. Okay. Before going to this one, closing this switch, suppose this is the switch we have connected. We have to measure the voltage across this switch. Okay, voltage across voltage across this switch, and definitely it will give to some value. And as soon as the moment we will close this switch, it will circulate large amount of current. That will damage the secondary winding as well as the primary winding. So this terminal, without the dot notation, it is not valid. Suppose this is the dot notation and it is not valid, valid delta connection. So a valid delta connection is possible only when the voltage across switch should be zero. Voltage across switch should be 0. Say it is a A2, B2, C2, A1, B1, C1. Under such condition, either it may be connected like that. This is the connection, and A1 is connected to C2. So here A1 is connected to C2, so it is A1, C2. Terminal A2, this is A2. A2 is connected to B1, A2, B1, and B2, C1, B2, C1. So this is the valid connection. Under such a, even though if you provide a switch over here, okay, and the voltage is going to measure, we found that the voltage is equal to 0, and by closing that switch, there is no problem, there is no circulating current into the delta. So this is the valid connections that these two connections are already discussed in the previous lecture. So before starting the vector group, it is very much important to understand the valid star connection and valid delta connections. Okay. Now we'll take the vector group. Just the introduction of vector group. Vector group of three-phase transformer. So three-phase transformer, there are three single-phase winding in the primary side and three single-phase winding in the secondary side. These three single-phase winding may be connected in star and delta. So there are different connections in the three-phase transformer, like say it is a star-star, okay? A star-star, or it may be represented, or it may be called as a Y-Y connection, okay? Or it is represented as capital Y, small y, Y-Y connection. It may be some star delta connection. So it is a star capital Y, and D is stand for the star delta connection. Similarly, it is a delta delta or delta delta connection. It is a delta delta connection. So D for the delta for the primary winding, it is a capital letter, and for the secondary side, small d is the represented. The secondary winding is also connected in delta. Similarly, delta star. So here the delta is D, is delta connected primary winding, and secondary winding is star connected. So these are the different these are the different connection of three-phase transformer, primary winding and secondary windings connections. Now these connections, it is written as YY connection, YD connection, DD connection, and DY connections. These are categorized with the help of vector group. So first of all, what is the vector group representation? Clock conventional method is used to represent the vector group of three-phase transformer. So vector group, say it is a star-star connection. Star-star connections, it is represented here. It is star-star connection. It is represented as capital Y, small y. So, and some numerical value, like it is a 11, it may be a, say, 1, or it may be some angles are there. Okay. So first we will try to understand the representation of letters. So capital Y is represented as primary winding. Primary winding connections. Okay. And small y is represent secondary winding connection. It is in star and it is also in star. Okay. And the third value is a numerical value. That numerical value is represent the vector group of three-phase transformer. Okay. So first capital letter is stand for the primary winding. Second letter, which is a small letter, represent the secondary winding. So here it is a representation of the primary winding. This is representation of primary winding. This is also representation of primary windings are there. And whereas the second letters is the stand for a secondary winding, and it is always written as a small letter. So it means that its primary winding is star connected and secondary winding is delta connected as per the this is written on the nameplate of transformer. Any transformer, if you observe three-phase transformer, it may be a power transformer or distribution transformer. Nameplate indicates the this one. Okay, so first we will try to see with the help of clock here. Say it is 12, 3, 9, 6, and here it is 1, 2. Similarly, here it is 11 and 10. Okay. So when there is a 1 o'clock, okay, there is a 1 o'clock. So this is the minute hand, and it is hour hand. Okay. Similarly, here it is a minute hand, and it is hour hand. So again, here it is a 12, 3, 9, 6. It is 11, 10, 1, 2. Okay. So this is total is 360 degree. Total is 360 degree. Therefore, the angle between this one is 90 and it is equal to 30 degree. Similarly, here also 30 degree. So first is the minute hand, and it represents the primary winding, and our hand represent the secondary winding. So from figure A, it is quite clear. That secondary winding from figure A, it represents secondary winding leads with respect to primary winding phase voltage vector. Okay, so it is phase voltage as well as line voltage, both. Okay, yes, secondary winding, not lead, it is a lag. Okay, secondary winding from figure, okay, you have taken this figure, lags. It is lagging because in our vectors, we always refer anti-clockwise direction. So second, our figure, our hand is lagging. Our hand is lagging with respect to the minute hand. So we represent as minus 30 degree. Okay, minus 30 degree, isn't it? Similarly, from figure B, secondary winding leads with respect to primary winding voltage vector. Okay, voltage vector by 30 degree. So it is a plus 30 degree because the minute our hand, that is the secondary. Minute hand represent the primary winding voltage. Our hand represent the secondary winding secondary winding voltage vectors, isn't it? So here it is lagging, always anti-clockwise direction we will measure. Suppose this is the voltage, and this is the current. So what is that? Current is lagging by an angle theta because it is an anti-clockwise direction. Or you can say that the voltage is leading with respect to the current by an angle theta. Again, it is a anti-clockwise direction. So if a connection, say it is a star-star connection. Suppose the connection is here, the connection is star-star. Star-star. So we can represent star-star connection as primary winding is star connected, so capital letter. Secondary winding also connected in the star connection, so it is a Y, so Y connection. And the third numerical value, this numerical value is minus 30 degree, isn't it? Therefore, this is represented as a vector group. So it is a Y. What is the time? It is 1. So it is 1. So instead of minus 30 degree, it is a 1 value. So this is the vector group of Y connection transformer. It represents the primary winding. The primary winding may be here high voltage winding or low voltage winding. It doesn't matter. It is representing the phase angle between EMF induced in the primary winding and secondary winding. Not in high voltage winding and low voltage winding matters. It is representing the phase difference EMF induced either in the per phase voltage or phase voltage. It both. So first represent the primary winding connection, second represent small letter represent the secondary winding connection, and numerical value represent the vector group. So this is the vector group YY1. Okay. Similarly, the second also connected in connection is represent connection of transformer is star-star connection. So primary winding is star connected, secondary winding is star connected. And what is the angle? It is positive 30. Positive 30 means the secondary winding leads with respect to the primary winding by 30 degree, and it is represented as a vector group equals to Y. What is time? is 11 o'clock. So this is the vector group y1 and y11. Y11, it means that the current, the voltage is leading in the secondary winding, and y1 means it is lagging by 30 degrees. Okay. So this is the meaning. Now, what would be the other vector group? Then the other vector groups may be like say the connection is star delta. Okay, and here also connection is star delta. So star, so primary winding is star connected, secondary winding is delta connected, and it is minus 30 because the lagging, it is represented as a vector group YD1, okay, YD1, whereas it is connected, it is represented as Y, it's the primary connection is star connection, secondary connection is delta, and it is plus 30 degree, which is equal to, which is represented as YD. Okay. Similarly, if the connection is delta star, this type of connection is generally used in the distribution transformer. The primary winding is delta and secondary winding is star connection for the single phase load as well as three phase load. So it is a delta connection. D is a star. D represented the primary winding. Star connection dy minus 30 degree. It is dy1 vector group, and here it is dy plus 30. So it is dy11. This is most popular in the distribution transformer is a dy11 connections, isn't it? Similarly, you can use as a delta delta. So it is a delta delta connection minus 30 degree. So DD1, and here DD plus 30 degree. So it is D11 connection, and so on. Okay. So this is the 30 degree phase shift in the transformer. Next is so DD is dy will be there. Okay, dy will be there. DD will not be there. Okay, so this will not be there. We will see by considering these two vectors. Okay. Now two more types are there. One is the say 12, 3, 6, 9, 3, 12, 6, 9. Okay. So now the primary vector is minute hand. Okay, it is always, this is always on the 12. Just remember, minute hand always represent, it is drawn on the 12. Okay, so it is fixed one. Only the secondary winding vector is going to represent it. Okay. Now, if it is secondary winding and primary windings, there is no phase difference. There is no phase difference. So it is represented as 12 o'clock, isn't it? Sorry, 12 o'clock, and it is as 0 degree. It is as a 0 degree. So the connection, say for example, the connection is star star 0 degree. It means that it is the vector group is YY 12 connection, isn't it? This is the YY 12. Similarly, if the secondary winding is 180 degree apart, the phase shift is a 180 degree. 180 degree. Okay. So here it is a secondary winding. It is totally 180 degree. So it is represented as vector group. Say, suppose we are taking the same vector group. It is Y 180 degree, isn't it? This 180 degree means it is capital Y 6. So this is the vector group are there. For the delta delta also, it is a delta delta. Suppose this is the delta delta connection. So DD 0 degree, it represented that DD 12, and similarly here it is a DD, so it is opposite 180 degree apart, means the voltage induced in the primary winding and voltage induced in the secondary winding per phase, they are 180 degree apart, and they are opposite to each other. So DD plus 180 degree or 180 degree simply. So here it is a DD6. So in this way, the vector group is represented. Okay, just take a review. Review is that very important first point is that for connecting or for identifying the vector group or the connection of the three-phase transformer, dot representation is necessary. First of all, we have to represent the dot on the transformer windings. So there's a labeling should be there, or you have to test the transformer before connecting in any group or any connection. It may be star star, delta delta, star delta, whatever it may be. Second important is that the connections should be valid. Valid connection, it means that when you are connecting the transformer winding in star, the voltage should be 120 degree apart. Magnitude should be same. Okay, means their vector should be equal, and they have a same phase sequence of the primary winding and secondary winding. Second is that the voltage should be 120 degree apart. Okay, for the star connections are there. For the delta connection, before connecting the delta, it should be ensured that there should not be any voltage, local voltage in the delta connection. The local voltage should be equal to 0, otherwise it will circulate the large amount of current. So there is no meaning to connect the transformer with some voltage in the delta. So the valid connection should be there for the primary winding and secondary winding. Okay. Now, third point is here, the minute hand represent the primary winding, primary winding or voltage, and it is always on. It is always on 12 o'clock. Okay, it is just stick to the 12 o'clock. Whereas the secondary winding, minute hour hand, represent the secondary winding voltage. So it may be at lagging 30 degree, leading 30 degree, in the same phase, that is a zero phase shifting, or there is a 180 degree phase shifting is there. And whereas the minute hand always on 12 o'clock. Okay. Now the vector group representation. So the capital letter represent primary winding. The capital letter represent the primary winding. First letter, this is the first letter. Second letter is, this is first letter, okay, and this is second letter is a small letter, and it represents the secondary winding connections. Okay, primary winding, it represents the primary winding connection. If it is Y, then it is a star. D, it is stand for the delta. Okay, so the secondary winding connection, it represents the secondary winding connection. Whereas the third is the numerical value, and it represents the vector group. Okay, so it is either plus 30 degree, minus 30 degree. Plus 30 degree is 1 o'clock. So one group, lagging side. So it is a lagging side. It represents the 1. Okay, it is a 1, and leading side, it is represent as a 11. So this is the vector group representation of three-phase transformer. In the next lecture, we try to draw some different vector group with the help of these concept of vector group. Say this is the connection may be a star delta. It may be a star delta second way to connect. There are two ways to connect the delta. Okay, there are two ways to connect the delta, means, see here, this is 3 windings. It is A2, A1, B2, B1, C2, C1. Say, don't forget to indicate which are the similar polarities. So first way is to connect A2 is connected to B1, B2 is connected to C1, and A1 is connected to the C2, and these are the supply terminal for the secondary side. This is one way. Second way is to connect instead of A1 is connected to B2, B1 is connected to C2, and A2 is connected to C1. So these are the two valid connections, and whereas the output is taken from the A1, B1, C1. So next time we will see the practical, some connections are there, different type of vector group, and we'll decide which type of connection give the which type of particular vector group of three-phase transformer.